Hi, welcome to Classflow. Classflow is a free software that allows you to create new content, new resources, activities for your online class. It's very easy to use, it's straightforward, and you can share the resources that you create directly with your students. So first, what you have to do is you have to log in. Of course, you have to create an account. So when you have created your account as a teacher, you log in and it will take you to the main screen. So in the main screen, you see some buttons here, which are the most commonly used. And this is why they are up in the front. Up to the left, you also have a menu. And to the right, you see who you are and some classes that you've already created. So how do you start and what is all this? The instant whiteboard basically means that you can use this as you use any whiteboard that you have in class. So directly it opens a white screen, and together with your students who actively participate and who access the same screen as you through their mobile devices, they see what you write on the whiteboard and you can directly discuss, share, write, answer questions. If you want, you can do a quick poll. You can create a new lesson, you can create an activity, or you can create a quiz. Everything will be inserted in your class. So how do you start as a teacher? Click on classes, and that will take you to your page where you as a trainer can create classes. You see here to the left that I've already created 2 different classes, but if you want, you can create a new one. So if I select this one, we see that within this class, I have had an instant whiteboard session, and I also have 2 different lessons. If I want to create a new one, I go to the right, and I can create a new lesson, a new activity, a new assessment, as the buttons before. So it's very easy to create a lesson. This is how the first lesson is created. When you want to create a lesson, it looks something like a PowerPoint. Basically, what does it mean? It means that to the left, you can see that it's divided into sections. So this is the section card, more like a title page. And then under each section, you add these slides. And in Classflow, they are not called slides, they are called cards. So you can click, you can add a card, and it's blank. And in here, you can select what you want to do from your menu up here. So, for example, if you want to add text, click here and write the title of the text. This page is a test sample, for example. If you want, you can upload pictures, you can upload shapes, you can resize shapes. You have a lot of options that you can do. You can fill in with paper, with colors. So, and this slowly, building card by card, you create your lesson. Once you have created your lesson, you can preview it. Yeah. And you exit from down here to the left. So you have to select this card to preview it from the beginning. Yeah. And you navigate like this. And you exit. And if you want, you can select to deliver it directly to your students. Clicking this will take you to a place in Classflow where it gives you information on how to share. So there are 2 options that you can use to share it with your students so that they can look at this slide. One is that they log in to Classflow as students and you connect them to the site, or they log in using this code that is available here. And you have 2 more options. You can either send this to all your students, or you can create little groups and send this individually.